Hey, to record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, you have to just open this quick settings and now you can find the screen recorder icon. So when you click on it once, you can now select if you want to record sounds. If you don't want to record sounds, just select no. If you want to record internal sounds of your phone, select media. But if you want to record your microphone, select media and the microphone. Also you can show tabs and the touches while recording, and you have to click to start recording. Now we can skip this countdown, and as you can see now we are recording our screen, and when you click here we can actually draw on the screen. Also when you click here you can change the color of this and change the thickness, and you can even turn on the selfie camera. It's visible right here, as you can see in the left bottom corner, and you can simply get rid of all of this drawing, turn off your selfie camera, and finish with your record. Now if you are looking for these records, they will be located in the gallery, in the albums, in the screen recording album. And this is it for this video. Right now please subscribe.